Hello everybody, Stop and Play here. Today we're going to be speed building LEGO Star Wars Republic Fighter Tank. This set has been hard to get for me, but I finally found it in a Target near me. So without further ado, let's stop talking and start building.
This party, not yet party, this party, not yet party, this party, not yet party, this party, not yet. This party, not yet party, this party, not yet party, this party, not yet party, this party, not yet.
He's too dangerous to party. Dangerous to party. He's too dangerous to party. Dangerous to party. He's too dangerous to party. Dangerous to party. He's too dangerous to party. This party, this party, not this party, this party, this party, this party, not this party, this party, not yet party, this party, not yet party, this party, not yet party, this party, not yet. This party.
And there you have it, folks. LEGO Star Wars Republic Fighter Tank has just been completely built. If you would like to see a review of the set, be sure to check out our channel. It will be posted there later in the week. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure you like the video, comment down below, and subscribe so that way you're not missing a thing. And thanks for watching.